Okay, so I figured out how to deal with the pH paper. I have the forceps in my hand and I pick up a pH paper and you go over to your test tubes and you have to actually have it just on the side of the test tube like that. You see how the no smoking sign disappears? So you have it right there. You click on it and it will change color. You're going to come over here to this chart and lay your strip down where the color meets. And you're going to write the strip result for your protein digestion in your student guide and on your lab report. So then I'm going to come over here and get another test strip. I'm going to hold it just to the side of the test tube I'm testing. Click on it. It'll change color. Doesn't look like much color change there either, so we'll put it down here. Grab another test strip. Hold it to the side of this test tube. Click on it. That one turned. That's an obvious change. So we'll go ahead and match that up where you feel it should go. Grab another test strip. Hold it just to the side of the beaker and the test tube. That one changed also. And you can lay that to dry. Grab another one. Uh-oh, I'm running out of test strips because I made some mistakes. Hold that in. That one also changes a little darker green. And I don't have any more test strips because I made a bunch of mistakes up here. So when you're doing the lab, you'll have extra test strips here. You'll come over and you will test your last beaker right here. I'm going to go ahead and put down my forceps, go back to the lab report and show you where you're going to put that information. So on your lab report, down towards the bottom, you'll find the protein digestion data. Again, you're going to fill in your predictions in column 1. And in here in column 2, where it says test strip results, you're going to put in what color you got for your test strips. Use your best guess on what those colors are. Be as descriptive as possible. Remember, we're not testing the milk with test strips yet until 2 days from now. That's when we're going to test for glucose. Also, on your lab report, the charts below the data tables will be filled out once you have all your results, and you'll be able to answer 8 and 9 as well. So now I am going to, oops, I forgot to put my stoppers on. So go ahead and put my stoppers on my protein test tubes. And if we were doing this in real life, time would be of the essence because the whole time that these have been in their acids and bases and pepsin and lactase, etc., they've been digesting. But in this lab, time is not of the essence and time actually doesn't start. The digestion does not start until we hit the start button. So you're going to come over here to your timer and you're going to hit the stop button and it's going to give you a code. This code is unique to you. Nobody else is going to get the same code, so please don't write down my code. You can copy and paste this into a Word document or put it right on your lab report if you'd like, so that you know where it is and you don't make a mistake copying it down. When you're done, you can hit OK and you can exit out of the lab. Now when you come back into the lab in 2 days, you're going to click on 3.15 and you will access the virtual lab the same way we did today. This one is talking a little more about pH and about different parts of the body that aid in digestion. But 2 days from now when we do this, you will be entering that code right here where it says enter code, and that will get you back to where you were when you left off on this lab. So I'll see you in 2 days. Bye.